Today I'm going to show you how to fix a separated zipper. So this one is the zipper is for the side pocket of men's jogging pants. The first step is to remove the stopper. It can be like the little band or bar looking thing made of metal or plastic, but in this case they are just threads, so I just cut them off. Once the pull tab is out, I can slide both sides of the teeth. I'm trying to align the bottom like very well. And I'll try to pull the zipper up. If the teeth are not damaged, it should work. And since it works, I'm gonna sew the new zipper stop. Just use like the threads, maybe 3 to 4 times. Give another test, and ready to go.